Well, it's been a while since I've posted another video and updated what's going on with my audio setup, but that's because really nothing has been going on. I have been doing some tube rolling, which I'll talk about in a different video, and I've been building some loudspeakers. I won't say exactly what I'm building, but here's a hint. It's a JBL Horn. So as I stated in a previous video, I wanted to get something to organize all these power cables, like a power center or some sort of power conditioner. So I managed to get this balanced power technologies clean power center, and I got it for pretty cheap used. I don't think it's really going to make a sound difference. I'm kind of dubious on whether power conditioners make that big a difference, but I wanted something to plug all this mess into. So I got some short extensions for the wallwarts, and I think I'm going to place it on this second shelf. So why don't I set that up and we'll see how good a job it does of cleaning up this mess. Alright, be right back. So there it is, all set up on the second shelf. I think it did a really good job of cleaning up that horrendous mess of power strips I had previously. It's still not super organized. I think I can get some cable ties or some sort of cable mounting system to organize them further. But overall, I think it did a good job. I think it's a pretty handsome unit. I don't think they're made anymore. I think this company is probably out of business. I haven't really seen much of it online. But I do like the way it looks. It doesn't have a lot of flashing lights or blinking LEDs like some of the other power centers I've seen, which I like because I don't like having a lot of useless lights just indicating that a device is powered on. I usually know if something's powered on if I turn it on or not. So that's pretty good. So that's it for now, I guess. In the next video, I think I'll talk about some of the tube rolling I did with this Valhalla. I got some pretty nice results, and I didn't spend a whole lot of money on those tubes. I know some of the tubes can be quite expensive, but I went for some of the cheaper options, and I got some good results. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Later.